I've heard that Old Testament manuscripts are full of errors. Now, it's true that there are no original manuscripts of ancient books, and the Old Testament is included among that number. We are dependent fully on the copies that purportedly go back to the original, okay? That is how we have our Old Testament in the first place. But those copies have all the signs of human fragility, of human error within them. So the question is, it's not a question about whether there are errors or not. There are. But the question is, does that lead to despair? Does that lead to a pessimistic outlook that might conclude something like, therefore, we don't have the Bible? And I'm happy to say no. Because the Hebrew Bible, the Old Testament, has a wealth of manuscripts, a ton of evidence. Textual critics who can actually look at all those manuscripts, compare them, sift out what are simple copyist errors, and actually restore the original text based on comparing all of the evidence. And therefore, I remain optimistic that we can get back to the original books of the Old Testament.